What is going on, everyone? Welcome to this amazing live stream. I hope when you woke up this morning, you checked your portfolio, you had a massive grin on your face, just like me. Guys, I want to welcome you to the stream. So good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night, wherever you are, whenever you are. Welcome to a new Breakout Solutions live stream. I'm sorry that I'm a day late. I've just come back from holidays. I was rushed back because they told me that Bitcoin was about to break $70,000 a coin this week. Man, can you believe what has happened this week? It's been absolutely crazy. And this is what I like about living in Australia. The trading zones suck, but when you wake up in the morning, you're either going to have a big smile on your face or a big frown on your face. And obviously this morning, woke up to this amazing gift of Bitcoin being up 13%. The altcoins, my altcoin bag still pumping altcoins there. It's a great time to buy. There's a lot of liquidity going into meme coins right now. So yeah, it looks like, Bonk is probably going to do what Pepe did earlier today and just absolutely go on a tear. So I'm looking at personally maybe buying a couple of meme coins this afternoon and making some easy returns. But let's talk about Bitcoin. So it basically shot all the way up to 57.5 and is currently hovering at 55,700. So it's down $2,000 from its high. And, we expect this form of pullback at some point in time. Now, how big is this pullback so far? It's a little bit itty-bitty one, about 3.32%. And where I think we could find a little bit of support is around about this zone. If we do come to, let me remove that. Is around about this zone. You can see we had a little bit of consolidation for like 6 hours, a little bit here at 3 hours, which is also the point of control of yesterday, right? So here's a little thing that most traders or people don't know. So these this volume profile, we have what's called a value area high, where you have the where you have the colored candles meeting the discolored candles. So that junction is called the value area high. Same thing on the bottom is called the value area low. Now, if we tend to break back into the value area of the previous day and have at least two 30-minute candles in that time being spent into the value area, so something like this, where we just, let's just say here we had a candle here, one 30-minute candle, second 30-minute candle. The odds are there's an 80% chance that we come back down to the value area low of that day, which right now would be 52,000, which kind of lines up with all these highs back here. So I know it seems like the Bitcoin sometimes can, go up forever, but like we have seen a decent pullback. It's already been $2,000 pullback. So it's really important to know and have your risk management to be taking out profits during this time. Right here, so this morning I woke up, I was like, yep, I'm taking some profits. I'm taking profits on all coins. Like, this is just not sustainable. But that being said, I'm not selling all the way out, because if you also have a look and we zoom out on a larger time frame, we really don't have much resistance between now and the all-time high. Okay, the all-time high is so close now. We just hit this 786 Fibonacci retracement, which I spoke to, our community about this morning, probably being the last hurdle for us to, for Bitcoin to blow through. But I'm glad that we finally found some resistance. I'm glad things are slowing down, because if things go too quick, we don't build any support, and we come back even faster. Now, coming back down is fine, but sometimes coming back down too fast, we just have these huge liquidation events, and it's very difficult to buy any crypto during that time because it gets bought up very quickly. So just make sure if you are someone that does not do leverage trading, but you want to get the best price of your assets right now, not financial advice, what I'm doing for my HODL bag. Where's my lines? I'm literally putting buy orders about every 5% down from where we currently are. So you can just keep adding buy orders, so limit orders. If you don't know what limit orders are, I could probably show you live on stream. Let's have a quick jump live on stream. I'll show you guys some limit orders. I did sell, like I said, a little bit of crypto, so I do have some spare cash just on this exchange. Now, I don't recommend having crypto on an exchange, right? Even though I do love CoinStash, I wouldn't trust them with my major bags. This is just a little play bag where I'm, getting in and out of tokens. You never want to keep your tokens on an exchange. You want to have that off an exchange in a cold wallet. I have multiple wallets. I have been hacked before, so I try to. I'm over secured. I've got wallets everywhere just in case one gets compromised. I don't lose everything. So just make sure that you either have your lock and key with your wallet or whatever. So let's quickly jump into trade. Let's have a quick look at Bitcoin. So basically right now, if I want to grab, some sort of quick liquidation event, and we just have some sort of quick cascading. So right here, see this week here, I'm going to put a little buy order here at 84,000. This is in Australian dollars, guys. So I do apologize. I'm going to do 80,000 is what I'll do. And then we'll do, we'll just go to 500. Oops, there we go. So this is 500 AUD. Oh, wait, I don't think I have AUD. I've only got Tether. Damn. Okay, that's a little bit unfortunate. I don't have any Aussie dollars because Aussie dollar is no good. So I've got USDT at the moment, and this is only allowing me to do a buy order with AUD. Unfortunately, I cannot use the USDT that I have because it's not like a normal exchange. It's just a spot buying. So that's a little bit annoying, and I don't want to convert it to AUD and stuff to lose out. But anyways, guys, pretty simply, what I would do, let's just cover really what I would do. So let's just say I'm on my exchange, all right? I would place an order, so I would go buy limit, and then I would put my limit order right now. My first buy would be just above this week right here. Okay, for a pullback, because that was obviously previous resistance, came back, we blew through it, so we could get a little bit of liquidity here. And then coming back to this consolidation right here, just the highest wick there, I'd be placing some buy orders here and there because, I mean, look at this. We've gone up in Aussie dollars. We've gone up a lot. What is it in Aussie dollars? Like $9,500 Australian, which is quite a lot. For US dollars, it's about 6,000 US. We've gone up. So no support being built apart from here, but there's a lot of FOMO. Okay, right now people are just thinking to themselves, if I buy Bitcoin, I know it's going to be probably worth double, right, in the next 12 to 18 months. So people are happy to buy these highs, even if it comes back down low. I think that any big dip now, because there's a lot of froth, there's a lot of FOMO, any big dip now, it's going to get bought up quite quickly, I do believe. I think there's just too much positive sentiment. The ETFs has done their job. It's brought in millions of dollars. People are looking at the inflows of these ETFs. And if you think about it, these guys aren't going to do some short trading. They're not going to be getting in and out and do some scalps. They're looking at probably, the next 6 months. I'll probably evaluate it over the next 6 months. So right now, I just don't see there being, any huge crash. Even though I'd love to say there'd be one more big buying opportunity. It's just very difficult to think how low we could go. Like, I just don't think we're going to get a very good opportunity. We built up so much good support here, like spending a whole, what was this? How many days? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, just under 2 weeks, just under 2 weeks of sideways consolidation. This is going to be strong support. If we come down from here, this will be very strong. Like if we break through this, fantastic. Then obviously better buying opportunity. We'd probably find something. Look at the fixed range from here to here. Okay, so the value area high. So maybe the best case probably 44,500. Like I just don't see the big fellas giving us that big of a discount anymore. 20% is probably like the lower end of a discount that we'll get now. So I'm buying at 5%, I'm buying at 10%, I'm buying at 20% discounts because I just don't know how many opportunities we're going to get now moving forward. There's just too much FOMO from not just retail. Well, actually, retail's not even in yet. The FOMO is all from the big hedge funds, all the guys that are producing these ETFs. There's just a lot of money coming in. There's a decrease in supply in exchanges. I think there's less than 2 million Bitcoin on exchanges. So if someone's got a big fat buy order, we could see prices just wick up very quickly because someone might accidentally do a market order for like $100 million worth of Bitcoin. It just buys up the order book. You can see some scam wicks. So what I tend to do as well, apart from doing buy orders, what I tend to do is I tend to put some sell orders quite high as well, because you could get these scam weeks. And let me show you an example of a scam week, because unfortunately I didn't catch this one, but there was there we go. So this would have been a great opportunity for me to get some discount USDT. You can see some of my buy orders of USDT, but this was obviously a scam week, a lack of liquidity on CoinStash. So someone probably dumped some USDT, and it would have been a really good opportunity if I had some BTC to have some buy orders. But you see these scam weeks on big platforms as well. Things like Binance, you see these huge scam weeks. So just make sure you have buy orders below, some sell orders way above, because they can happen quite regularly. So where to from here? Well, as I mentioned, things look continuously bullish. We have been, or we will get supported by the 20-period moving average on the daily. This thing is going to be just moving vertically. And until we start seeing this moving average go sideways like it did here, there's nothing really to worry about. If you really like patterns, you can see that we have, a flag right here. And so the flag says that we've still got some more upward action. So, if we get to 65K, you can bet your bottom dollar we're going to get to 70K, right? And this could definitely happen this week. Things are just looking extremely bullish. This is the first time in a long time we touched the 20-period moving average on the daily, and I think that high prices are to come. So buy those dips. Guys, thanks so much for watching. If you like today's content, make sure you like, subscribe, turn on all notification, and I'll see you guys next week when Bitcoin will have already hit $70,000. Bye for now.